Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today, we're going to learn about a new vowel team. We're going to learn what sound does the OU make. Here, you see OU. Watch me say it. Trace it and say it. O, U, out, ow. Position in the beginning or middle of a word. Now, boys and girls, pick up two fingers and trace and say it with me. O, U, out, ow. What's the position in the beginning or middle of a word? So how to code words with the vowel team OU? Boys and girls, step one, when we're coding, we find our vowel. Here, I see O. I look next to it. I see U. That's a vowel team. When there are two vowels together, it's called a vowel team, and it makes one sound. So we underline our vowel team. We put a line under the O and the U, and then we write V, V. After that, we read the word. Out, out. So now, boys and girls, you're gonna watch and listen to me code and read these words. When we don't know a word, our step one is always to find the vowel. I look here, I see my O, I see the U. That's a vowel team. We underline it. We write two V's underneath our vowel team. Now I know OU says ow, like in out. So now I'm going to read the word. Ow, loud, loud. Next word. I see my O. I see the U. That's a vowel team because two vowels are together. We underline our vowel team. We write V, V. And now we have to tap and read the word. I know, and now you boys and girls now know that the OU says ow, like in out. So now you're going to listen to me tap and read this word. Ow, count, count. Let's go for the final word. I see my vowel team OU. I underline it. I write two V's. Now I tap and read the word ow, foul, found, found. Now, boys and girls, I want you to try and code and read the words below. Step one, we find the vowel team. Step two, underline the vowel team. Step three, write two V's under the vowel team. Step four, tap and read the word. Now it's your turn to try, boys and girls. But before you go and try, I want us to go over what we've learned today in OG. We learned about the vowel team OU. OU says ow like in out. How do we code a word with a vowel team, boys and girls? We find our vowels, we underline them, and we write two V's. Hope you have fun doing this. Bye!